Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best solar-powered shed lights in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is LightMe Portable 130mm solar-powered LED bulb light. LightMe is primarily a brand of all kinds of lighting products, which also includes a few solar-powered options where most of its offerings are highly affordable and a great option for all those who are on a budget. The LightMe Portable Solar Shed Light comes at the first position of this list since this is one of the cheapest options and a great entry-level option for many. Starting with the brightness output of this solar shed light, it is rated for up to 130 lumens output, which is quite good for the given price. For connecting your solar shed light to the solar panel unit, you also get a pretty long 11 feet power cord. Since this is an entry-level solar shed light, it uses a smaller battery on the inside, which results in a basic battery life of up to 3 hours on a single charge. Similarly, the lifespan rating of this solar shed light is also a bit on the lower side at up to 5,000 hours. But the biggest issue with this solar shed light is that you do not get any warranty with it, as LightMe is quite a small brand of solar lighting products. Number 2. Our second best pick is Solar Light's Kyson solar-powered LED shed light. In comparison to most other solar lighting fixture brands mentioned in this article, Kyson and its offerings are on the powerful side and a great option for heavy-duty usage, as you will see with this solar shed light given here. Kyson's solar shed light comes at the second position of this listicle, as this is a high-performance option for large sheds where you may want proper visibility. For making the same possible, it offers a pretty high brightness output of up to 200 lumens, which is much higher than others. You also get a decently long power cord of 10 feet length with this solar shed light for easily connecting its included solar panel. Moving over to the battery life of this solar shed light, it can easily work all night long since it is rated for running up to 12 hours on a single charge. Another great thing about this solar shed light from Kyson is that you get a lifespan rating of up to 30,000 hours. Pros: amazing brightness output for proper visibility even in large sheds. Quite a long battery life for all night long usage on a single charge. Fairly reliable and durable with a great build quality. Cons: a bit on the expensive side for buyers on a budget. Number 3. Our third best pick is Kyson Indoor Solar Barn Lights. You can also find even smaller lighting fixtures from Kyson when compared to its previous offering in this listicle, since this one focuses more on the included features instead of performance numbers. Kyson's solar shed light is one of the best looking options out there thanks to its vintage-themed Edison bulb design. Because of this designer design, it has a lower brightness output of up to 40 lumens, which is certainly much lower than others. Thankfully, you do get a standard length power cord of 10 feet for easily connecting its solar panels. A unique feature of this solar shed light is that you get a remote controller with it for controlling this light. Talking about the battery life rating of this solar shed light, it can last for up to 8 hours once its battery has been fully charged. Pros: unique and great-looking solar shed light with its Edison bulb and cage design. Quite a decent battery life rating for the given bulb type. Includes a handy remote controller for using this solar shed light. Cons: lacks a lifespan rating for its included Edison bulb due to lack of LED bulbs. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Designer's Edge L949 Rechargeable Solar Shed Lights. Designer's Edge is one of the best options out there for all those who are looking for solar-powered lighting fixtures made for long-term usage, which also includes solar shed light that has been given in this listicle. This Designer's Edge L949 solar shed light comes at the fourth position of this article because it is the most durable and reliable option given here. Unfortunately, this solar shed light is only great for long-term usage since its performance is quite weak at up to 30 lumens of maximum brightness output. Fortunately, this light does offer a pretty versatile power cord of 16 feet length, which allows you to easily connect its solar panel even in large-sized sheds. Just like its poor brightness output, the battery life rating of this solar shed light is also quite average at up to 4 hours. That being said, this solar shed light from Designer's Edge still makes for a great option for many thanks to its excellent lifespan rating of up to 100,000 hours. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Nature Power 21030 Hanging Solar Powered LED Shed Light. Nature Power is quite a popular brand of all kinds of environmental friendly and green energy products, which primarily includes a wide range of solar powered products like its solar shed light given here in this listicle. The Nature Power Solar Shed Light is one of the most versatile options out there thanks to its features like an included remote controller for easily using your light without needing to use a switch. As for the performance of this solar shed light, it is mediocre at best because of the given brightness output of up to 80 lumens. Similarly, the power cord offered by this solar shed light is also on the shorter side at just 6 feet long. Thankfully, Nature Power does offer a pretty decent battery life rating of up to 8 hours with this solar shed light. Another great thing about this solar shed light is that you do get a pretty great build quality. And since you get a decent lifespan rating of up to 10,000 hours. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.